Hello and welcome to our video on how to sew the sleeves of our 13-2 blouse. In our version, we have opted to not sew the side seams yet and are starting with forming the sleeve hem pleat. Mark the 2 notches on your sleeves. Place the notches right sides together. Now sew at this marking with the machine. The line should be around 1 to 2 centimeters. Now fold the pleat as shown with the middle of it laying under the notches you just sewn together. Pin in place and sew over the created pleat around 1 centimeter from the edge. Now sew the side seam of your blouse in one motion from the sleeves to the hem. Iron on interfacing on one half of your sleeve cuff. Fold lengthwise and iron in this fold. Now unfold and place the short sides right sides together. Sew and press seam allowances open. Pin the reinforced side of the sleeve cuff right sides together to the lower sleeve edge and sew. Press the seam allowance towards the cuff. Fold the cuff back at the pre-ironed line. Now fold the seam allowance of the sleeve cuff inwards, baste or pin and top stitch from the outside. Thanks so much for following along. We hope the videos helped you with the more difficult part of sewing our blouse. Check out our sewing patterns at sistermagpatterns.com.